Hi, this is Deanna Wagner. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the differences between Explain Everything and screen recording. If you're interested in webinars or workshops, please be sure to check out our blogspot for upcoming events. Today I am using recording on my iPad. So screen recording is actually turned on. I did that in the control center. I added it, and then when I double tap, I can now use the screen recording function. I can do anything like record how I would say the word
Hola.
hola on my Words for Life bilingual app or on any other app. So that's screen recording. When we do Explain Everything, we can look at a slideshow. So I'm going to introduce you to Chelsea. She's right here, and in Explain Everything, I can record what I'm doing, and then I can do arrows or pointing. So I'm going to hit record, and I'm going to point to Chelsea. Chelsea wants to say hello. Here are some symbols we could pick for Chelsea. This one has the hand waving. This one's waving too. If she can't see very well, I might choose something thicker so that she can see this. But it doesn't really look like a hand. In the symbol, it's an image. It's a drawing of a mitten. I think what we're going to do is help her to see the image on her communication device, to say hola to the maestra. So we're going to go in and we're going to highlight visually some of the features by saying, here's your hello symbol. In this one, I'm going to choose a smaller button. And I'm going to say, here's the hand waving up here. Okay. And if we look carefully, we see this guy has a red shirt, just like the red shirt in our hello symbol here. So we see that we can use a hand waving to say hello. And when we look on our communication device, we're going to look for that red shirt. Okay, so now in Explain Everything, I've created a video, and I can share my video. I'm going to export it, and I'm going to save it as a video. Now I can just put it on my camera roll, just like that. And what you're going to be seeing at the end of this video is a YouTube upload that I'm going to do with our screen recording. So right now I'm preparing a video that's going to go into my camera roll from Explain Everything. And I can share that video with Chelsea. If she's using an app like GoTalkNow, or TouchChat, I can import the video directly into her communication app. Otherwise, I put it in her camera roll. And we can do that on her accent device to play videos. We can play videos within the iPad, and we can figure out what's going to be her best way to activate her message, because she has many ways to say hello. So that video has finished rendering. So if I look on my iPad, under Photos, I will now see that there's a photo that we created for Chelsea. Record. Okay, and that's it. I'm going to hit stop on screen recording, and you'll see this upload to the video. Again, be sure to look at our website for upcoming webinars, and have a great day.